It is in 1900 when we discovered submarines, we came to know that the deep part of the ocean, it is dark. Even the fishes which swim in the deep part of the ocean, they have their own light. And Professor Durga Rao said that this darkness is due to two phenomena. Number one, when the light enters the ocean, the light is absorbed in layers. And today we know that the light has got 7 components, and we learned in school about VIBGYOR: violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. It has 7 components. So when light enters the ocean, the first 10 to 15 meters of the water, it absorbs the red color. So if a man swimming below 25 meters, if he gets injured and if blood comes out, he will not be able to see the red color of his blood. And I remember when I had gone to Mauritius, I had the opportunity of going in a submarine down. So what I did, I took a Kit Kat paper, which is red in color, Kit Kat chocolate. And as the moment we kept on going down, when we went below about 15-20 meters, the red color disappeared. It was like a dark brown something, but I could not see red. When I took out my mobile and on the light, I could see the red color again, because the light was there. The moment I switched off the mobile, the torch in my mobile, it was again dark. It wasn't red. So I could personally, because the red color is absorbed by the first 10 to 15 meters. From 30 to 50 meters, the orange color is absorbed. From 50 to 100 meters, the yellow color is absorbed. From 100 to 200 meters, the green color is absorbed. And below 200 meters, the blue color is absorbed, and violet and indigo also. So the light is absorbed in layers, part by part. That's the reason you see darkness in layers. As the Quran says, darkness on darkness. The second reason why there's darkness is, when the sunlight, before it reaches the earth, many a times it is obstructed by the cloud. And the cloud absorbs it. And you see a dark patch below the cloud. This is one of the reasons that light is absorbed. And that which is not obstructed by the cloud, it reaches the ocean. And many a time that is reflected by the waves, you see the silvery. But the Quran says waves topped with waves. What does the Quran mean by waves topped with waves? We see the waves on the superficial part of the ocean. It is recently, about more than 100 years back, 50 years back, 100 years back, 150 years back, we came to know that there are even internal waves. This internal waves, it separates the ocean into 2 parts, superficial ocean and the deep ocean. The superficial ocean is lit up and warm. The deep ocean is dark and cold. So the Quran says, the state of an unbeliever's mind is like the depths of darkness. Waves topped with waves, topped with dark clouds. Darkness above darkness. If a man stretches out his hand, he cannot see it. For to whom Allah gives no light, light will not reach him. In the field of biology, the Quran says in Surah Anbiya, chapter number 21, verse number 30. It says, وَجَعَلْنَا مِنَ الْمَاءِ كُلَّ شَيْءٍ أَفْلَا يُؤْمِنُونَ. We have created every living thing from water. Will you not then believe? Imagine in the deserts of Arabia, where there was scarcity of water, who would have believed that every living creature is made of water? You could have thought of something else like sand, etc. But water? Quran mentioned this 1400 years ago. And today we have come to know that every living creature has a cell which contains